I am so excited. My new refrigerator has been delivered. The installer has picked it up, has it in his truck, and they should be here in about an hour to start installing it, and then I will have a refrigerator again. I didn't realize how much 2 weeks of kind of garbage food would affect my health, but I feel it. I really feel it. Too much salt, I think, is the biggest thing. Too much salt. Peanut butter sandwiches, cup noodles, rice, in the microwave, canned chicken, canned everything. Just not good. So much sodium. So it'd be nice to be able to cook a nice piece of chicken and some vegetables again, and have a real meal. So an hour. I don't know if they'll let me video while they're installing, but I'm certainly going to ask, and we'll see what we can do. Well, my guys are here, getting ready to rip out the old one, make a mess in my house, let all the flies inside. But the process is going to be worth it.
Nice shiny new refrigerator.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now you can move it back. She's free as a breeze. Let's hope the hell it comes out. Oh, I know she's coming out, but will she come out far enough to clear? What's the top? Okay, you ready? One in on the bottom? Yep. Guess what? What? She ain't gonna clear.
Legs on the back here with all the. Oh.
Yeah. She's not gonna clear. No direction. Alright. Hold on, I'm gonna get the tape measure. We're gonna measure width versus thickness because it ain't gonna clear this way at all.
Well, you're right. I like it. Go for it.
Yeah, she won't come out. Oh, this is gonna suck.
I was afraid of that. You didn't bring a door stretcher?
Yeah. Not the door stretcher, it's a bathroom stretcher.
Oh, wow.
The bathroom's in the way. All right, so we got.
Hey, I have a curious question.
Yeah.
They didn't take this through the back door. They took it through the window, didn't they?
Can you go that way with it?
Well, that's kind of what I'm trying to figure out here. So, if we were to push it in on your side just a little bit.
Well, it's not going to fit out the door, so we got to take a window out.
I don't know. Yeah, got a rubber.
That makes you feel a lot better about this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's going to take longer to put that rubber strip back in than anything else. Does it have to come off?
Yeah.
Oh geez, now we got to disassemble everything. Oop, it landed in that box right there. Right by the chips. It's in there. Someplace.
You just dump the box out. It's just books and stuff.
We got it.
Just throw it all on the couch.
Are those string? Is there a string down the wall? You have to take.
Find it. I've got it. That's one. And two. One more.
I got some short squares in there. You need the shorts?
Nope.
Okay.
I got shorts on.
The short square bit.
Oh, yeah, no, I don't need that either.
Okay. Yeah.
Damn kids. One clip.
Go.
Straight out with it.
Yep, push the top out in that corner. Ready? There we go. Okay, got it. Alright, so all these screws, you want to make sure we get all these off of here.
If you look in the sink, there should be a bowl in there. You can put those screws in.
Here, I'm just going to take this whole tray out. Set it out of here. Alright, so don't worry about that. Just move this. Get your gun. Should be a square head. Oh, I put it out here. Yeah. Pull those off. If you can. Now just clear everything off the table. So what we're gonna do, grab our blanket right there. Just lay it on top of the table here. Just like that. Okay. Okay, let me know when you're ready. Okay, can you turn your side towards the driver's side a little bit or no? There you go.
Honestly, we're right up against the microwave box.
Okay, so what are we hitting on over here?
So I'm saying the fins, the cooling fins, it's all up in the microwave.
Go outside. Okay, you kind of got it.
Outside.
Oh, I was gonna go outside, but that's all right. Go ahead.
Closer to it, and I'm tripping over other stuff that I want to hurt. So.
A little bit more. Okay, stop. Great. Down. Just let her drop. One down, one to go.
Is that song halfway there coming in line?
Phew.
This one you don't let drop.
Why?
Because I like it not broke.
Yeah. Okay, bottom in first. Opposite way we took it out.
Slide face in on the blanket then?
Just like this. Pick the bottom up.
Give me a second, sharp ends here.
Okay, sorry.
Alright.
Okay. You're in first. Are you ready? A little wire. There you go.
Short from this end, Jeff. Killing me. It's awesome.
There you go. Stand right here and hold it. I'll go inside.
Okay.
Are you ready?
As we're gonna get.
Okay.
Alright, hold on. Alright, 1 second.
All right.
I know I'm on her table. Hold on.
Hang on the edge. Okay, now start picking your end up.
Go a little bit more your way.
Well, we gotta switch it out. Okay, bring it over.
Right there. Come on. Go up. Why are our feet forward? I need to tilt forward.
Yeah, I can't. It's gone.
Well, we have another finaglement. One of our feet.
Hold on. We gotta get it squared away like we took it out. Okay? So my end's gotta go towards the bathroom. Ready?
There.
There.
You got
Now slide her down.
it. Yep, you got it.
All the way. Okay, hold it. Let me get to the back. Okay, everything is clear. Come on back.
Hanging up on something. Hold on.
It's just a tight squeeze, bud. Can you get the tilt the top out? There you go. Now shove the bottom in.
There you go.
The top in. There, it dropped.
Yep, she's in.
All the way.
Bottom needs to still go back just a little bit.
How far?
More.
How far?
Literally a hair. Right there.
That's both sides?
Yep, that's both sides.
Lock it in. And then we'll come out and take a break, because I got to pee. I'm going to go pee in the woods.
Well, we definitely got the alignment factory home.
Good deal.
Well, she's all in. Starting to cool. Going to be a while before it gets cold enough for food to go in there. They're putting the windows back together now. That seemed to have been the hardest part, that the shades and the valance gave them trouble. But we should be all set to go in 24 hours. We said it'd be cold. So we're good. I'm happy. So is this one two-way or three-way?
It's three-way.
It's three-way. Okay.
Yes.
The website was a little confusing. One section said two-way and one said three-way.
Nope, there should be a three-way.
Well, that's good, because I didn't really want to run with the generator on while I was driving.
Yep.
So it works exactly the same way.
Right. Yep. Works exactly the same way.
Super. Except it actually works.
Right.
This new fridge. The old door panels didn't fit, so I'm gonna have to order some new ones when I get a chance. We'll cover it with something, floor tiles or fabric or something like that. We'll work something out. They said it's going to take about 24 hours to get 100% cold. It's going to probably take me that much to put everything back together here. But that's the price we paid, especially, you know, they had to take out the window there, come across the table. It'll go back together again, no problem. But we're good to go. I'm going to turn the AC on and start killing flies. Oh Lordy, look at that. Glorious, glorious, glorious. Eggs and bacon, milk, salad and veg. Full complement of meat, small veg, and a unicorn. Boston Market Swedish meatballs, the best frozen Swedish meatballs, worth turning on the generator for. I am happy, happy, happy to have an actual meal tonight. Oh, and shout out to my friends over at J&J Mobile RV service, Jeff and Jess, who did a fine job for me. I'm very happy. If you're ever in Central Missouri and you need some RV help, you give them a call. Thank you.